Hello there. Right, today I'm using Optimum No Rinse and Shine. Not used this before. I think it's a great product from what I've seen. This is a bottle that I've bought from somebody that's already been using it. I've already put 2 gallons of deionized water in my bucket there. I've got a mixture of some in here for me to squirt onto my panels should it dry up a little tiny bit there, so that we're not wasting time mixing it up, so we don't have to be wasting time on a video doing that. So I'll just mix a drop of it in here. So I'll just put an ounce of it in the bucket because that's all I need to do, and then we've got the mixture. That's 30 ml, so that's an ounce in the bucket. I don't have the red sponge. Don't think that's necessary, to be honest with you. I've seen lots of people use these. Quite happy with that. Now I'm going to do my bonnet and my wing. Bonnet was cleaned not long ago, although it's pretty filthy. I'm going to go around it and show all this lot here. Look, this grit all here, look. I mean, that is grit off the roof. There's absolute filth here, look. I mean, this is grit and filth and dust because we've had builders in next door. I mean, this is filth. So if it cleans all this off and doesn't scratch the car, it's going to be doing well. Oh my God, look at that. I'm going to be trusting this. This is frightening. Oh God, look at the door. Okay. Let's get stuck in it. We'll have a go, shall we? I'll do the bonnet first, because that looks like it's not as dirty. So we'll set off with the bonnet. Oh, that's as slick as hell. Mind you, I did clean the bonnet not long ago. Oh, God. That's as slick as hell. Crikey. There's muck on it. There's muck on it. Look here on the fingers. There's muck on it. Look at that. Look here. It works. It's a bit... I thought it would work, to be honest with you. I've read about it. People aren't idiots. They're not going to put this all over the brand new cars, you know. I'm not stupid. I'm not going to put it on mine. I'm not going to be the first one to do it. There we go. I don't think you need the red sponge. You just need to go nice and gentle with it. Let the thing do the work and drag it across it. Look at that. Filthy. Absolutely filthy. Look at that. I'm going to actually rinse that out and have another go before I wipe that over, because I think that's too dirty. I think that's too dirty to just put the polish on. I think. I don't fancy the idea of rubbing that in. Pretty effective, isn't it? Quite shocked, to be truthful. It's easy. Yeah, still fetch more off, look, on that side. Try it again on the other side. If it keeps fetching it off, I'll do it again and again. No, that's clean now. There we go. So we'll polish that. I'll clean that off. I've got a vortex in the bottom of the bucket. There we go. Yeah, that's slick, that's nice, that's okay. Yep, that's okay, that's nice. Shockingly good actually. Oh, crikey, look at the shine. That's nice. Yeah, it's lovely. Like it. Could almost get into this. It's easier than getting a power washer out, that is for sure. Crikey, no snow foam. Nothing. This is cheap and easy. Less labour. This really is easy. Gosh. I'm going to rinse that out because I think I might be doing a bit too much with it. There's a lot of mop coming off of that. You can maybe overdo it. Oh yeah, that really, it's gone, feel it going really slick. And as you go over it the second time, you can feel it go. And you go over here on the first time, and you can feel it go draggy. You see all the muck on it, look. Again, all in the fingers. Wow. It's very impressive. I think even I could wash a car with this, possibly, in one go. I don't know. Wow, that's filthy there. That part. That's really dirty there. Give that another go. I'm going to go around here because I'm wondering if I'm sucking it out from the edges and pulling it on to, you know, if I'm pulling it onto it. I just see other people doing that, so it must be a good thing. People have perfected this. Oh, crikey. Now that's soaked a bit, you can feel how much slicker that is. You certainly don't need that big red sponge, that's for definite. These are about a £5. This is no more than a £5. It's a Simonized one from Tesco. It's not expensive. And that's as slick as anything, that is. This is I think it's a Taurus one for into detailing. These are about £4, I think, £3, something like that. That is lovely and done. Bonnet done. Look at that. Shiny and done. I don't know how long that's took, but that's easy. Right, I'm going to do the really dirty bit now. I'm going to do the door. I'm going to spray the door. Let this have a bit of a soak. There's no way I'm rubbing that onto that before it has a soak, I can tell you that for nothing. I don't even want to, I want to even spray it on the wing as well. That's like, it is frightening me, that is, to be honest with you. We'll be getting the buffer out next, if I get this wrong. So, right. Let's have a really gentle go. This is a very, very soft paintbrush, incidentally, from B&Q. Much softer than most detailing brushes. It wasn't cheap, it was more than £6-7. But it was very soft. Lasts a long while as well. Gosh, that is really filthy, that is, I can tell you that. That is really filthy. It's making my back hurt. No more than this being done tonight. It's evening today now, so I've been busy today. Right, here we go. Let's see what we do. Absolutely drench this. Come here. Look at that. That is filthy, isn't it? Hey? Yep, that's filthy. That's filthy. Frightening, really. It is. Rubbing a... these are just like little fingers. Very, 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 very soft little fingers. And I'm not rubbing. I'm dragging. Oh, crikey. Look at that. Now we're getting some dirt off. So I've got a vortex in the bottom of this. They're like the chemical guy's vortex. Don't think you can see it very well. Yeah. Quite good. Those are. This is a turtle wax bucket. I got those because they hold less water. So you waste less chemicals. And stuff like this, you put less in it, waste less. Oh my God, look at that. Now we're getting there, aren't we? And it's fetching it off, comes in the bucket, and it's fetching it off. Wait till you see this when it comes out. It's coming off clean. Look. And it's working, isn't it? Doing its job. It really is, it's doing its job. It does what it says. It's doing exactly what it says. Exactly what people says, and it's doing it. Mind you, there are already millions of people doing it before I've had a go. I wouldn't be stupid enough to try it first. Clean nearly. Clean. Just about clean. I never thought you're not supposed to do this much. You're only supposed to do a small amount at a time. Never thought. Done way too much. You're supposed to do a small amount. You're supposed to do a bit of a panel at a time. Look at that. It's all clean. Well, that's clean. Let's dry it off. Hang on. Gosh, so impressed. Not getting it over on to the bit I've not cleaned. Yeah, it is. It's slick. It's shiny, smooth, clean. It's fantastic. And the yacht, look at, wow, it's shiny as hell. Well, I don't think anybody could complain about that. In fact, I think you'd be hard pushed to beat that with any clean on the market. I think if you did a full-blown decontaminate, car wash, no foam, the whole lot, wash, dry the lot, I don't think it'd be any better than that. I don't think. Just look at that. That is almost a quarter of a car done in, how long does it say on the timer? That's mad. That's mad. Lord, look at it shine as well. I am really impressed with that. And that was really, really filthy. Yeah, really filthy. So, absolutely super impressed with that. Could not be more impressed with that. So, here we go. This is the stuff. Optimum No Rinse Shine. If you like that as much as I do, thumbs up, subscribe. I absolutely love that. I think it's a fantastic product. Yeah, thumbs up from me for definite. Have a nice day.